this. Oh yeah. Here's what you need. A sander, a drill so that you can drill out a little bit of the door frame and also screw back in your screws, a mallet and a chisel, of course a ladder, and safety first, goggles, a mask to keep sanding dust out of your lungs, a pencil, of course, clean up. Step 1 is to assess the door. Where exactly is it getting stuck? Here is the top of the door hitting the frame. So I just put the door back on the hinges so I know the hinges are tight, so it's the door. One option is to shave off the top of the door. The downside of this is the cleanup, because sanding inside of the house, obviously you're going to have to clean everything up. But it was nighttime and I didn't want to annoy the neighbors by taking and sanding everything outside, so I decided to sand in place. Check your progress to see if what you've sanded so far is enough. Here I can see the top of the corner still hits, so I need to take off just a little bit more. Fits, but now I can see that the door doesn't latch. So even though it fits in the frame, there's another issue, and so that's part of this, which is that there's a lot of trial and error. It looks like the latch doesn't align with the hole in the strike plate, so I removed the strike plate, which is this, and I'm going to move the hole in the door frame up to where it lines up with the door latch and where it's coming out of the door. I'm using a big drill to chunk out a few pieces. Notice how slowly and carefully I'm going, because I'm not trying to drill a huge hole into the door frame. I'm just trying to open it up a little bit. Keep checking your progress to see if your door is closing here. I'm checking to see if it lines up, because I swear I measured this before, but I didn't mark it, so I'm just making sure that the latch lines up with the hole where it's supposed to go so the door will close. I'm going to drill out a little bit more of the door here. Maybe if I close it really slowly, it'll stay. No, it bounces back. Okay, so we are going to chisel out a little bit more. I'm using a mallet to chisel out the exact shape of the strike plate. And it works! Ugh. So to screw the strike plate into the correct new place, the hole is going a little bit to the side of where it was before, so I'm just adding wood filler here to the old hole to fill it in, and now I can put the strike plate exactly in the right spot, which is here. Now I just need to screw the strike plate in place in the door frame and everything lines up. Don't judge the price tag on my mallet. I just got it today and I'm trying to decide if I want to keep it or not. So the lessons learned here are that there was just so much trial and error while assessing the problem. In terms of whether or not it was worth it to do this repair myself versus, let's say, contracting out to do it, I think it was totally worth it to do it. I mean, one, I find this kind of thing fun, and so I get to try out new tools and, you know, just entertain myself with a White Claw. I think it's worth it to spend an hour or two of your time to figure out how to do this, because this doors getting stuck is pretty common. Of course, if you already have a handyman who's doing a handful of other repairs and they're just going to add this to the punch list, I mean, have them knock it out. And so overall, was it worth it? Yes. I hope this helps you on your real estate investor journey. Please like and subscribe for more content.